So the Happy Planner Work and Life Edition is a 12-month planner with a binder style, hard metal binding and a hard leather style exterior. And the general idea behind these planners, as the name suggests, is that you can plan your work and life all in one place. They have different designs coming out all the time. This one is now not available anymore because this I got in July. And most of these planners are very professional looking, mostly neutral colours and very plain, simple. They can run from different months. Mine is July to July, but you can also get a January to January one. The classic size, which is the one I have here, measures 7 inches by 9.25 inches, but there is also a bigger size that you can get, which measures 8.25 by 11 inches. Now, according to the website, these are usually $44.99 in US dollars. I got mine for $23 on sale, and they are always having sales, so you can get a pretty good price for one of these. Now, as for the contents, the first thing you'll see in this planner is a full year calendar, just to give you a very brief overview of what the year looks like. Next, there is an accounts and passwords section where you can keep track of all of your usernames and passwords, because obviously we have so many these days. Just make sure you keep it secure, keep an eye on your planner at all times, because you don't want all of that information getting into anyone else's hands. Next, there is a year view planner, so any important birthdays or events, this is a great place to put them. Now, each month is divided into sections by these section pages, which have a motivational or inspirational quote on them, and they also feature these kind of little plastic tabs on the side. Then within each month, there is firstly a overview of the whole month, so that you can see exactly what's coming up within the month, put in your key events, appointments, anything like that. Next is my favorite page within every month, which is your kind of monthly overview. So firstly at the top, there is a place for you to write what your goals are for the upcoming month. They also have a key focuses section, so helping you to focus on specific things in that month, as well as a key dates section and a to-do list for the month ahead. There is then a notes page, and these are dotted throughout the planner, but specifically at the start and end of each month and at the front and back of the planner. So then we have the weekly breakdown. Now, this is a double page spread for each week. It is a vertical layout, and each day is split into 3 sections. So this could be morning, afternoon, evening, or you could organize it by work, life, other something else. Personally, for me, I kind of roughly split it morning, afternoon, evening, but I don't always stick to that. And on the left hand side, you have this vertical dotted layout where you can put any extra notes. Then at the end of this planner, like I mentioned, there are notes pages so that you can write any little notes while you're maybe in a meeting or out and about. There's a page of stickers that you can use anywhere in the planner, which is just a really nice addition. And then finally, there is the envelope where you can put any loose pages, loose documents, anything you don't want to lose that doesn't fit as part of the planner. And that's the Work and Life Happy Planner. I really hope you guys find this helpful. Please let me know in the comments what you'd like me to talk about next, and I'll see you all in the next one.